The row of buildings between the tobacco factory and the ecological pond used to be the machine repair plant. The plant was divided into 3 sections: a welding workshop, a machine repair workshop, and a carpentry workshop. Broken machines, such as cigarette rolling machines, would be sent here for repair. Broken wooden doors, windows, or furniture were also sent here for repair. Due to the toxic substances produced during welding, good ventilation was crucial. You can see many extra windows right above the ground, high up near the roof, in addition to regular windows. In the early days, the cigarette rolling machines were made in Japan, and there were usually 2 to 3 well-maintained machines in the repair plant standing by. When a machine broke down, the mechanical department would conduct a thorough checkup. Broken parts would be replaced immediately if replacement parts were available. If not, they had to make new ones from scratch. In 1946, the factory produced 1.18 billion cigarettes. The production volume surged to 3.87 billion cigarettes in 1950, thanks to advancement in mechanical engineering technology. The earliest cigarette rolling machines could roll 360 cigarettes per minute, but the later machines, which were made in Britain, could roll 8,000 cigarettes per minute. During the 5 decades after World War II, the tobacco factory produced a great variety of tobacco products, including 30-plus types of cigarettes and 2 types of cigars. Those machines were invaluable assets to the factory. Therefore, maintenance and repair were crucial to the whole operation.